What's up, queens and kings? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mom of three. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the shmoney team so you can be lit like us, baby, because we over here getting our shmoney together. I know I'm being real extra, but let me tell y'all why. I got a reason. I got a reason. I got a reason. So, y'all know I've been manifesting like I don't know where, but I may be landing a new job. Well, not a new job, but a second job. So, like, I'm so happy I can't even get it out. So, I kind of feel like, you know what I'm saying, I'm in there. I don't know. I don't want to jinx anything or anything like that, but I don't believe in it. I don't believe in jinxing because guess what, baby? That job is mine. But as you can tell from the title of the video, this is a cash stuffing video, okay? And we are cash stuffing. How much money is we cash stuffing? 50, 70. Wait a minute, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 140, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 145. Okay, so I just had so much going on today. Like, y'all, I'm so happy. Can I get a woot woots, okay? Cause sis needed some more money. I had been manifesting. I had been wearing my crystals, okay? Why is this not trying to unlock? Okay. So let's go to good notes. All right. So quick, we did have one. We had one bill to pay. This is actually a new bill, y'all. Look, who am I to be adding bills on top of the bills that I already got? I couldn't help this one, okay? So trans is going to be starting before care because my current situation has changed and Trance is not able to be put on the bus by his sister. I was kind of like, yeah, this is a good thing. So I had to pay $160 for 2 weeks because it's $80 a week for the before care. So I paid $160. Started out with $315. I'm sorry, I'm just was all over the place, y'all. I'm super happy though. So we started out with $315. We paid $160 for Trance's daycare, and that leaves us with $155. And is that how much that was? Was that 155 or 145? It should have been 155. I don't even remember. Like, it's just a lot going on. Okay, let's just get started. Okay, so starting out with myself, I'm going to be adding $10 into my envelope. As you can see, I spent all the monies, honeys. Okay, all the monies. So we are putting $10 in Queen. Kenzie is getting $5. I'm so excited about this new job. Like, I've already done claimed it like it's literally my job because it is. But I am so excited about this job. I have not done this type of work in years. And I am so excited for the opportunity. So, $5 is going in Trance's envelope also. And then we are putting 35 in Gasolina. So just to make sure that we make it till payday, which is, I believe it's the day after Thanksgiving. Wait a minute. I believe it's the day after Thanksgiving. I have to look on the calendar. So Gasolina, we have some rollover. We haven't used all of it yet, thank goodness. We are adding, how much are we adding? 35. So we're going to add a 20, a 10, and a 5. And I know the money is all over the place. Wait a minute. Wait 1 minute. Y'all, my kids is making a whole bunch of noise. Please don't mind them. It's like when I ask them to be quiet, that's when they make a whole lot of noise. And they're supposed to be downstairs making dinner, but it smells like they're baking brownies. So I hope that they're baking something else along with those brownies. Okay, so all together we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 106, 7, 8, 9. So $109 in gas. It's crazy because gas is going back up. I feel like I need to put extra in gas to make sure that I make it. And then sometimes I have to drive for work. Sometimes I have to travel a little bit for work, and I don't be wanting to be sitting on the side of the road nowhere. Eating out, we are putting $10 in eating out. So we have some money left rolled over, surprisingly. And normally I don't even give myself an eating out budget, but Mackenzie always wants to like order pizzas or something. So we're adding $10 to eating out. So now we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. We have $27 in eating out. Okay. But if y'all ask me what my favorite thing is, I like to cook food in the house, and I don't really like to eat fast food like that. That's not one of my favorite things to do. Mikasa, we're going to add 10. As you can see, this envelope is empty, y'all. Y'all have to try the EOS lotion from Walmart. That's what I spent the money for since we didn't need any household products. I went to Walmart and I got some EOS lotion. Oh my goodness. I have to show you guys this lotion. It is so bomb. I suggest everybody get it. Self-love, we're adding $10. So we have 10, 11, 12, $13 now in self-love. I mean, so I said self-love, self-care. Self-care, we got $13. And then miscellaneous, we're going to add $10. Wait a minute, what happened to... Oh, I'm missing some money. Miscellaneous, I was supposed to be in. I knew I was missing $10. Let's not worry about it. Miscellaneous 10. And then, okay, so miscellaneous will do 5. I don't know why I thought it said 10. Something didn't add up right. Sorry if my numbers are not adding up, guys, because sometimes I'm doing this while I'm working. Like, I'm literally multitasking all the time. So sometimes I don't add things up right, but I really think the mistake was at the bank, because when I sit down and do my budget, I pretty much go over it a couple of times. I think the mistake was at the bank, but that's neither here or there. We're going to add $5 into love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just in case I want to show somebody some love. And last but not least, I don't know, somehow I don't know how I messed up things, but we're adding $50 into Christmas, and I don't know what happened. Like, so it's about time to start shopping for Christmas. So now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 1,050, 1,070, 1,090, 1,010, 1,110, 1,115, 1,120, 1,125, 1,130, 1,135. So that's 1,135. Look, that's sad when you can't count past 1,000, ain't it? Girl, get your life together. Okay, so y'all, thank you guys for making it all the way to the end of this video. I am super excited about all of the goals that I've hit this year. I'm super excited about you guys' journey. Leave me a comment below. Be sure to like the video. And until next time, baby, we got to get this money together, okay?